Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save files and config files for Lost Soul Aside on PC. Let's get right into it. Finding your save game files. First, open any folder on your PC. Go to your C drive. Open the Users folder. Click on your username folder. Now, open the folder called Saved Games. Inside, go into the Lost Soul Aside folder. Open the folder with the long number. That's where all your save game files are located. Finding your config file. Go back to the Lost Soul Aside folder. Open the saved folder. Open the folder called Config. Then open Windows No Editor. Double-click on GameUserSettings.ini. This file contains your game configuration settings, like graphics, resolution, and other options. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find both the save files and config settings for Lost Soul Aside on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.